Hello friends, my name is Vai Shehzad. Today I would like to share a story with you. The olive tree and the fig tree. One day, an old olive tree leaned over and said to a fig tree, "Fig tree, you are young and foolish. You must learn to be strong like me. Look at my leaves. They are tough and they remain green all year long. But your leaves turn yellow and fall to the ground when the weather grows cold." The fig tree felt bad. He wondered how he would become more like the olive tree. But all he could say was, "This is just the way I am." The olive tree laughed and said, "Well, that is why olive trees are better than fig trees. We are stronger, and cold weather does not frighten us." The olive tree stood proudly with all of his green leaves on each branch. That night, heavy snow fell and weighed down every leaf and branch of the olive tree. By morning, most of the olive tree's branches had broken off. The fig tree was unharmed by the snow. From that day on, the olive tree never boasted about how strong he was. Moral: only a fool boasts about himself to others that are different from him. I hope you like this story. I will meet you in another video. Take care and goodbye.